Hello everyone, welcome to my first ever video. In this video, I'm going to tell you on how to pronounce the American vowel sounds OO. This is the OO sound, like in the word to, you. The OO sound has a technical name called closed back rounded vowel. Remember that the key to pronunciation is physical. So the name tells us about how the sound is made physically. To make the OO sound, you have to remember the correct position of your jaw, lips, and tongue. Open your mouth a little and make a small tense circle. Pull your tongue far back in your throat and tense it. Raise the back of your tongue towards the roof of your mouth. Remember the OO is a tense sound, so your lips and tongue should be tense. Your tongue should be pulled back in your mouth. Let's try saying it. True, true. Soon, soon. Boots, boots. Boom, boom. Bloom, bloom. You can always practice at home while looking at the mirror. Pay attention to the shape of your mouth. I hope my video could help your pronunciation. Thank you for watching. Bye.